All right, let's talk about one of the most important and maybe one of the most stressful parts of any university application, the statement of purpose. Today, we're going to build a blueprint, a step-by-step guide to turn that blank page into a really powerful story that could help you get that admission letter and maybe even a scholarship. I mean, that's the big question, right? You've got the grades, you've put in the work, but how do you actually show all that passion and potential on just one page? It feels like a huge puzzle, but don't worry, we're going to figure it out together. So, what is an SOP really? Well, at its heart, it's your story. It's the one place in your entire application where you're not just a GPA or a test score. It is your chance to speak directly to that admissions committee and show them the person behind all the paperwork and, prove to them that you're the perfect fit. Okay, first things first. Every great story needs a killer opening, and your SOP is absolutely no different. This first section is all about crafting an introduction that grabs the reader right away and makes them think, okay, I need to know more about this person. Look, admissions committees have seen it all. They've read thousands of essays that start with, my name is, or I have always wanted to be. A really strong opening just skips all that. Jump right in. Talk about your academic passion, explain why it fascinates you, and state your ambition right from the get-go. Trust me, that's how you stand out. So once you've hooked them with a great intro, you've got to back it up with some real substance. This next part is all about building a solid foundation by connecting that passion you just talked about to your actual life experiences. The best way to do this is to be super structured. Think about each of these areas, your schoolwork, any industry training, your job experience, even your extracurriculars, as a piece of evidence. You're not just making a list here. You're using each one to build your case, to prove that your interest is real and you're ready for what their program demands. Now, quick note on extracurriculars, because this is really important. They're not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. For undergrad or MBA applications, yeah, they're essential. They show you're a well-rounded person. But for a Master of Science program, they're actually optional. And if you do decide to include them for an MS, they have to be directly related to your course. If not, honestly, it's better to just leave them out. All right, now we're getting to the absolute core of your SOP. This is where you connect all the dots. You're going to weave your past experiences and your future goals together into one single, powerful argument for why this specific program is the perfect next step for you. This visual here is perfect. Think of it like building a bridge. On one side, you have your past, all your experiences. On the other side, you have your future, your career goals. And what's in the middle? This program. You have to show how its specific courses and the skills you'll learn are the essential link that gets you from where you've been to where you're going. To really sell it, you have to answer that big why us question, and you can't fake this part. The only way to do it right is with research. You should be mentioning specific professors whose work you follow, or unique courses they offer, or maybe a special research lab they have. This proves you've done your homework. It shows your interest is real, that you're not just sending the same essay everywhere. You chose them for a reason. Okay, so you've built your case from the ground up. Now it's time to bring it home with a conclusion that is strong, confident, and makes your application totally unforgettable. The number one rule for the conclusion is simple. Summarize, don't add anything new. This is your final pitch. You just want to briefly remind them of your passion, why you're a great fit, and what you plan to achieve. You want to leave them with a really clear and confident final impression. Before we finish up, let's do a quick lightning round. The golden rules. These are the absolute must-dos and the really costly don'ts that can seriously make or break your whole statement of purpose. These are so important. The do's are all about being specific and making sense. Have clear goals, do your research, but pay close attention to the don'ts because this is where people mess up. Never, ever talk about wanting to stay in the country long term. And please, do not mention needing a scholarship or financial aid. That's for a totally different part of the application, and it just doesn't belong here. I really want you to remember this. Your statement of purpose isn't just a boring list of things you've already done. It's a story. It's the story of the person you're becoming and all the amazing potential you have for the future. And that's our blueprint. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about as you start writing. What is the one unique story that only you can tell? Find that, and I promise you found the heart of a winning SOP.